Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video will show you how do you link your PLC tag to Allen Bradley HMI Panel View Plus. This is very much needed when you develop the HMI code. What we have here as a HMI software is FactoryTalk View Studio, and we have Compact Logix, that is RS Logix 5000. Let's get started here. Select Communication Setup, right-click, and open it. Now the communication window is opening up. First thing we are going to do is add the name of the PLC. Say for example PLC test 1, and right over here we are going to link our PLC file, the folder in the computer where the PLC file resides. So hit apply, then yes. Now the HMI is linked with the PLC code, and it is so important while we develop the HMI code because we need to connect to the PLC tags at every step. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do write to us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Once again, thank you so much and bye now.